Hi, I am Mari, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways of creating the outline for stickers. Here we go. One is, let's take this out, and one way is create a layer above, take your favorite sharpest brush and start drawing around. This circle was awful, but gladly we have these shapes here. And we fill it, and let's fix these like here. Okay, now we can go by hand around here and fill it. There you go. This is one method. For this shape that is circular, that was pretty fast, but with some shapes may not be that fast. Let's see another method. I have here the outline of my drawing. Well, in this case was a circle, and the drippings that I have here. I have them in these 2 layers. So let's start with the circle and the selection tool with an automatic to the outside. Then I invert this, go to a new layer and fill the layer with white. Now I have a circle. I increase this circle as I want, and now I will do the same with the drippings. So I will go here, but I only want the bottom dripping. I don't care about the upper dripping. So I will go here and select automatically outside, then invert it, go to another layer, fill that layer with white. And now I'm going to select with the free hand only the bottom one. Oh, something happened here. Okay, now with the bottom one. Now, oh, what happened? It was like a glitch there. And now I'm gonna create here with the free form, a bit to the sides, and maybe a little bit more here. This curve is difficult a little bit, so we use the wrapping with advanced mesh, and we pull here a little bit more. And now, as you can see, the edges are way better than if I go around with my brush. This is another one. This is one of my favorites actually. And the last one, but not least, I have seen many people doing this because I know they find it very useful. For me, sometimes it can be stressful, especially for some shapes, but let's do it for the dripping here. That is using the freehand tool here. And we go around like this in a new layer, and we either drop or do the fill layer. But as you can see, this one has some bumps here. Depends on the effect you want to create, of course. This one has some bumps. Let's see a difference. Let's turn this off and turn this on. You can see this is sharper. And this was the other one that I also did with the sharpening tool. So I hope you like this tutorial today. Give me some comments. How did you like this method? Which one did you use? And see you next time. Bye.